guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja and we are back with another wig install for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's roll right into the video. So for today's video, we have another wig from Luvme here. Today we'll be installing their 26-inch 7x6 loose wave closure unit, and this is their upgraded packaging. Let me show you guys what I received inside my package. We received a few goodies in our package today. So this is the unit we're installing today. This is their 26-inch 7x6 loose wave closure unit. And I honestly just love how bouncy this unit is. Like super bouncy, super cute. I love it. The unit comes pre-plucked. And the lace was already pre-cut for us. So the wig comes with the adjustable band. We do have the one size fit all cap, so you can adjust it to fit your head, and then we have the removable combs at the back. It's ready to wear, super easy and super convenient. Let's go ahead and install our unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on. Alright guys, so this is what the wig is looking like now that we put it on. I literally love how this unit is looking already. As you can see, it came pre-plucked and it's giving us a really natural look, like at the roots. The lace is already pre-cut for us. I am going to cut a little bit more off of it, but for the most part, it's 100% glueless. This is it. Like, the unit is pre-styled, but it's also super versatile where you have the freak part and you can style it however. I think for me, I'll definitely do like a center part, but I'll show you guys how it looks like with the style it already came with. This is it. It's super versatile. You can style it however you want. Has a nice 7x6 deep part, and the unit is plucked all the way around. Like, look at this, super natural. I love what it's looking like already. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the back band in the back. I just finished putting on the unit and this is what it's looking like. It's still 100% glueless. I didn't apply any glue to the hairline. This is it. It is giving us melted, it's giving us laid. I love how natural this is looking at the roots. The curls are so gorgeous. The hair is just super lightweight, super bouncy. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the unit. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like. I love how this is looking. Like the lace melts great and the volume on this unit, like I just love it. It's super fluffy, very lightweight, and I love how it fits on my head. Like it's giving us all day comfort. Love the unit. Definitely a 10 out of 10. This is it. Super soft. Has a lot of body. It's giving us a really pretty finish. This is it. Again, this unit is from Luvme Hair, and this is their 26-inch 7x6 loose wave closure unit, and this is what it's looking like. I honestly just love this unit. It came ready to wear, super easy to install and beginner friendly, and I love how natural it looks once you install the unit. And then of course it's super comfortable, and I just love the volume on this unit. Like it's definitely a 10 out of 10. I will be leaving the link down below if you guys want to purchase this unit. Also, we'll be tagging all the products that we use in today's video. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.